Hey there, fellow creators. Today, we're going to dive into the world of creating awesome YouTube videos right from your phone. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure your phone is fully charged. Nothing is worse than running out of juice mid-recording. Next, find a well-lit area with a clear background. This will ensure your video looks professional and engaging. Now, let's talk about the magic of editing. There are plenty of user-friendly apps out there that can help you polish your videos. Don't be afraid to experiment with different filters, transitions, and effects. Just remember to keep it simple and authentic. Lastly, don't forget to add some music or sound effects to enhance the overall experience. You can find plenty of royalty-free tracks online, or even create your own using simple audio editing apps. And that's it, folks. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating amazing YouTube videos on your phone. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy creating.